West Palm Beach. Goodbye. Going to Georgia. We're on our way. That's downtown West Palm Beach, and here's Rivera Beach. We were anchored right in there. Woo! Right over there. Bye, West Palm Beach. And here we go on our way to Florida. Nice sailing. Nice winds. Nice ocean. Nice sailing today. On our way. So Ryan's gonna JB weld the main. The boom, I mean, which holds the main. Because I will show you in a second what happened. So yeah, he's just mixing up the solution. And I'll show you what happened while we were sailing, either in the morning or in the night. That weld that we got a temporary fix, a temporary weld, is now super cracked. You see that? Oh, it's so rocky right now. So Ryan just put some clamps on it to hold it together and stuff right now, which is awesome. There's a crack right there. Right there in the aluminum. See it? So, hopefully it stays intact for the rest of the sail to Georgia. He's going to JB weld it right now. But yeah, that is cracked up in there. Starting right here and going up into there. Here he comes to the rescue. Nice. Nice. And there is the finished JD well or JW well or whatever that's called. Nice job, Brian. Hopefully it holds for the rest of the sail. Look, a rocket's taking off over the boat. I'm not kidding, you might think it's a plane, but my phone is pointed straight up into the sky. And that thing is moving fast. Look how green the water is here. It's so green. It's because the seabed here is like seaweed and green instead of sand bottom. And it's not very deep, so it's all green water. Green. Another side of the ocean. Green water. Green ocean. Green ocean.
We got Shay Love behind the wheel.
Yeah.
And we got some dolphins out here that I just saw. Oh, right there.
Nice.
Coming into Waza Inlet. The buoys are pretty messed up here, but we're making it happen. I only saw the one dorsal fin. I was seeing them for a minute. Tell them about it.
We're almost there. We're coming in to Savannah, and look at these giant trees. They're so big. It's so awesome. And these houses look so old for America. They look like they're from like the 1800s or something. They just look so cool. Like the style is all plantation-y and stuff. And look at this green grass. Georgia's so green. Like so green. And like, look at it all. Like, so green. Look, there's like patches of grass out in the middle of the river. I guess you can't see them that well in the camera, but there's just patches of grass like out there. So different from the Caribbean. So beautiful though. Like, look at all these houses. Look at this. Trees are so huge. So beautiful. No, There's one. It's a motorboat. It's gonna go around you. Oh, and the water is like green because of the seabed is all muddy or sandy and grassy and stuff. Plants at the bottom of the ocean, of the river. Now it's a river technically, so it's all green. Hey, look, there's a sailing, one of those, what are they called again, Ryan?
I don't know what that one is.
This guy's sailing right past us on those little board thingies. I don't know what they're called, I forgot. The foil boards, but it's a sailing version. And he's trying to sail around us. Oh, and he's gonna save it. He's gonna capsize. Oh, is he gonna save it? Oh, no. But he did pretty good. He did really great. That's so cool, guys, right? Here he goes. He's gonna go again. He's been going back and forth around us everywhere. And now he's off doing his own thing. Oh, or he's gonna come back. But he came straight over to us, like directly at us, like looked like he was gonna hit us, and he was like, cheers, woo, and then like turned, then went around that way and over there, and then he came back around, and now he's doing his own thing. Bye, sailing foil board.
Here in Savannah, Georgia, a little bit of cloudage this morning, nice calm winds. We're 180 degrees from when we set anchor. The boat just kind of likes to spin around here, but it seems pretty well protected, so should be nice.